trying to make the other ones work, but it ain't working basically. So I gotta go to my stash spot and go get the opposite side seatbelt, which I got 2 or 3, so I ain't tripping. I just want to get the car done. He waited long enough, man. The thing I work on box Chevys mostly. What side this is? This one ain't got the piece on. This one don't either. I'm at the black road ham. Yeah, see, look, this got it. This the piece that I'm talking about. So I need that side. I think that pillar, that B pillar broke anyway. Yeah, this the piece I'm talking about. This whole thing was missing on the driver's side anyway. I didn't notice it. I got the passenger side. I'm like, damn, this one on the other side. So, gotta get another. Oh, shit, man. Let me go ahead. Oh, it's already down disconnected. I got one bolt. Just take this bottom one out and I can get it. I don't need none of this. So get my scissors and a T47. Cut it from down there. Alright, got them boys knocked. Alright, got the babies knocked out. About to take this picture like I do to Instagram. Needs to be some wood right here, but I'm cutting some aluminum. Alright, let me get my picture and I'm running to the shop and install this and finish doing some wiring. Got to get all this slack at the seatbelt so I can start putting all this stuff back in. If anybody got these lenses, please let me know, like OG style. Need them lenses. Man, fixing these seat belts. This was all the slack. Like, I thought I had the same damn length, but I didn't, obviously. So this is all extra. So I'm finna cut it down, resew it, and man, you'll be on or something. So let's get it. Cut this off. Mark it, and we'll be there. There you go, that's how I want it. Yes, sir. Go to set. Take my list off the doors. Leave everything done with it. So that's putting the armrest on. Got the seat belts in. Yep, so next I'm gonna work on wiring, which I'm supposed to do today. You never know how the day gonna start, man. I can use these screws. Last piece up. Trying to make sure the tweeters sound like what they supposed to. I done messed around and bust the damn gas tank. I almost made it, man. I said I wasn't gonna play it no more. I said I wasn't gonna play it no more. Cause it's cracking the trunk. The filler was already broke, but it's just loosening up more and more. I said, I was like, man, I ain't even gonna play it no more. Literally, I just played like 3 songs. And the damn tank busted. I smelled it. I was like, man, I think the gas tank there busted. Latch, I have to brake. Man. So, gotta buy a gas tank. Can't be in here leaking. I need to go order that tomorrow. Damn. I already told him, man, don't get no $10,000 paint job. Unless you don't care about steady touching up all these edges. That base go crazy. I never really swapped tanks up here because I don't have a car that long. So I had this one for a minute. Just trying to make sure everything's right. But when you do these, you gotta mess around with it. They move these 2 cars around. It's good. We back, man. We back. This is, I don't even know what part this is, but we back. So, man, my list got a lot of crossing out on it, man. Only fabbing things I gotta do. Console, trunk, and dashboard. And then all the stuff that I gotta do really is basically assemble the car. And then wrap all the small pieces that ain't been done. I gotta run my second power wire still. Install the front and back seats. All this wood grain gotta get changed over to black. Yep, all that wood grain, all that. I already made some of the stuff. Steering wheel gotta get changed out. Kick panels gotta be wrapped. All these pillars and stuff wrapped already. All that chrome and trim pieces and all that been changed out. No rusty stuff in here no more. Everything all new. But called the owner, man. I told him we're gonna add 2 more speakers. It's loud, but I said, man, we gonna go ahead. Man, we in it, man. We gonna go ahead and go for real. The pull straps, the wood grain piece, I painted those black, right? And then my daughter sat on the shit. I was like, dang. So I still gotta paint those over, but it been cold, so I don't wanna waste my time painting it and then it don't like come out like it's supposed to because it's too cold. I only got medium reducer, so. Yep. I probably pull this box out so I can mount it down and then I can build around it. But tonight I'm feeling wiry. So I'm finna jump on some wire, man. I'm finna do the switchbacks in the pillars right here. So it's gonna be white and then it'll blink with the turn signal. Turn the blink on each side it'll blink. So that LED headlights been put in already. I think I already showed y'all that. Yeah, LEDs up there. Alright, there we go. So I'm finna hook up the what it called? Sequentials on this side. Alright, let's see what we got now. And then when I do the sequential tail lights, man, I don't need Alright, so they working now. You don't need those. Those I'm blinking at all. when I do the sequential tail lights, I don't even use the factory harness at all. I just make my own harness. Tap into one bulb and make my own harness, so I don't have to cut the original stuff. I got all my, I can't even put too much game. I got all my own connectors and everything, so I make my own everything. It's all kind of ways, man, but y'all just stay tuned for the finish, man. Back on Rashons LS, man. So now I got 2 sets of Sunvisors. Some I subbed out, man. Like, I'm trying to sub out. Alright, man, I got it trimmed up best I could. This piece right here is so it can flex. When you go up to the roof, it'll be like this. So this piece could be in still. That's what this for. But yeah, cut it down a whole lot. And I gotta make sure I got this in the right pocket before it gets on. Yeah, so I'm good. Alright, I'm starting here, going all the way around about there. And then I'm gonna go over there and put this in because I gotta make some videos on the car. Go over there. So, time lapse y'all real quick. Let me clean this table off. I'm time lapse y'all.